Hello everyone, I am Professor Sahu and today I take you through this course overview for optional paper psychology for Indian Civil Services. So let's begin. You can see the syllabus timeline for the optional paper for the subject of psychology is from July 2020 to June 2021. In total, we would cover paper 1 and paper 2 with 12 months timeline. You know that there are total 14 units in paper 1. So the syllabus timeline for paper 1 is from July 2020 to January 2021, and you can see the units name given here and the weeks in which these units would be taken care of. So for example, the first unit, that is introduction, would be from 20th to 28th July. Similarly, from unit 8 to unit 14, this we have mentioned the weeks. Now, if a week is overlapping, so you can see this 23rd November to 1st December. You know that in a week we would have few classes. So this is the unit 1 content flow. We have divided each unit in 4 classes. This is the content flow. Unit 1 is the introduction, and you can see the specific dates on which we will deliver these units or these classes to you. So similarly, we have unit 2 and the dates are 3, 4, 10, 11th of August 2020, and on 3rd August we talk about this particular part of the unit 2, that is types of research, descriptive, evaluative, diagnostic and prognostic. And similarly, we would cover the entire unit 2 taking the 4 classes C1, C2, C3, C4. So I hope you have understood that this way we would be taking all the units from unit 1 to unit 14 and we would cover the paper 1. So you can see the 14th unit and the dates are 18, 19, 25th, 26th January 2021, and in this unit you have only 3 classes from C1 to C3, and the unit is issues and perspective in modern contemporary psychology. Similarly, you have paper 2. It also has 14 units, and you can see the timeline for this is from January 2021 to June 2021. You can see the respective weeks is mentioned against the unit. So these are the units and these are the weeks in which we would cover these units, and altogether the 14 units with the weekly timeline are mentioned here. Then we go unit wise. So this is paper 2 now. So the first unit, psychological measurement of individual differences, and the specific dates would be 1, 2, 3, 8th of February 2021, and you again just need to know that C1 to C4 basically are the class number. So this way we take the paper 2 from unit 1 to unit 14, and we cover paper 2 of optional paper psychology by 14th June 2021. 14th unit is psychology of gender, and you can see the parts of the units that we would actually take care under C1, C2, C3 and C4 classes. This is the way we would cover the entire syllabus in 12 months, and I hope you have observed the part of creativity that we have infused in this course overview. Basically, we believe that when you impart knowledge to the students, there should be a shine in the students' eyes and their brain should be tickle. So that is what our intention is. For the civil services, the syllabus is everything under the sky. You agree? So we just thought to make that sky more colorful for you. So if you have any inquiry, you can contact us on this number or you can write an email to me. Keep learning and doing well in your life. Take care. Bye bye.